Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 14 Ambergate Rise in beautiful Pittsford.
This is a spectacular dream home with ultimate nature views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this stunning grand two-story foyer. With a crystal chandelier, impressive moldings, palladium window, transom windows, and side lights, beautiful tile floor, and a spectacular staircase. Opening to the grand living room with crown molding and a bay window. Great is a music room too. And on the other side of the foyer, an entertainment-sized dining room with wainscoting and crown molding.
This is spectacular open living featuring an entertainment-sized great room. With a designer eat-in kitchen with recessed and under cabinetry lighting, crown molding, high-end appliances including a sub-zero refrigerator, an expansive center island breakfast bar, deck access, and a wet bar connecting the entertainment space to the cathedral ceiling family room with arched windows, a gas fireplace with a decorative mantel, all with an adjacent executive office or bedroom with a walk-in closet and a powder room.
The excitement continues upstairs with a total of 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 baths, including this amazing guest suite, and this very spacious and private owner suite, with a walk-in closet and spa bathroom with nature views.
This is the ultimate finished walkout lower level, with an expansive bonus room with an entertainment area with patio access, a dining area with a wet bar, a charming kitchen, a gym area, a full bathroom, and great storage. Perfect for an in-law suite.
The quality craftsmanship of this small-built home with impressive brick front is evident in the details.
Let the entertaining continue on this expansive maintenance-free deck, overlooking the beautiful patio complemented with exquisite landscaping and the sprawling backyard with mature trees for exceptional privacy.
This approximately 3/4 acre premium lot offers great privacy and backs up to town of Pittsford land with ultimate nature views. Towards the end of Ambergate Rise, this property is in a neighborhood of fine homes, nearby everything Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 14 Ambergate Rise in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!